I have explained about how to create database view and projection view. Now I will show you how to create maintenance view and help view. To create a maintenance view, I will go to SC11 transaction code, SC11. So before creating a maintenance view, I will show you which tables I am using inside a maintenance view. So this is the employee information table. Next table is company company details table. Okay, again I will go to SC11 transaction code. I will select view tab, view radio button, ZEMP my MNTN view. MNTN means maintain view. I will choose maintenance view radio button, then I will click copy. Here I will provide table name ZEMP information. Now we have to click on relationship button. So before getting a relationship, we have to provide a short description. Creating MNTN view for a test. Okay, then click on relationship. Select this one. Here we will get choose that, select the table name and click on copy. Here we will get the join conditions. Then click on view fields tab. Here automatically two fields are coming. Next select this table fields tab. Select the first table. Click on choose. Now I will choose the employee name. Then I will click on copy. Okay. Again click table fields. Now I will select fields from the second table. Okay, inside the select second table, previous company and present company name. I will click on copy. Now I will go to select condition. Here we can provide more conditions, more select conditions. If you want to get only one first record, here we can mention conditions. Okay, then I will go to maintenance status. As I said before, so inside maintenance view, we can read the data, and we can read, we can change, and we can delete, and we can insert. Okay, and we can read and change. We can read and change time specific views, and then it's automatically it will provide a delivery class A. Okay, delivery class means application table, master data and transactional data. It will store inside the application table. So maintenance allowed. So then I will click on save. I will save inside the local object only. Then I will click on activate. Then I will go to maintenance table maintenance generator. Okay, here I will provide authorization group. Here I will provide function group. If you want to get more information about authorization group and function group and screen maintenance and transport details, watch my previous videos related to TMG. There I have explained how to create a TMG. Okay, with interview questions as well. So then I will click on create. I will save inside the local object only. It will take some time to update or to create. Okay. So now it's successfully created. Okay. Then I will click on back button. So it's got activated. Now I will test this one. Okay. See here we will get list of all the fields inside two tables. From these field, these two fields from the employee information table, these two fields from the employee company table. Okay. Now I will show you data from the two tables. Okay, first of all I will go to information table. I will click on F4, F8, then I will click on, see, this is the information from the employee information table. Then I will click on company table, employee company table. Okay, I will click on contents, I will click on execute. This is the information from the company table. Then I will go to, this is the my maintenance field. Here I am selecting these two fields from the company information table, these fields from the company table. Okay, so this is the way how to create maintenance view. Then I will show you how to create help view. To create help view, I will go to SC11 transaction. Here I will select view tab, ZEMP HLP view. This is my help view name. I will click on create. I will select help view radio button. I will click on copy. Here I will provide short description, creating HLP view for test. Okay, here I will provide information, employee information table. I will click on relationship. So here we'll get the table. I will click on copy. So here we'll get join conditions. See, this is the fields. If you want to show the more fields, you'll select from these tables. Okay, here we will select, we will write the join conditions again. I will click on maintenance status. Here we can see read only possible and read and change to also possible inside the help view. I will click on save button. I will save in local object. Then I will click on activate. I will activate this help view. Okay, it's got activated. Okay, so I have successfully created my help view. I will, see, here we cannot execute directly. Okay, so before two views, it means maintenance view, help view, and database view, we will get the contents. But here we can see, if you see here, you cannot see the output of help view. If we want to use this help view, we have to use this help view inside the search help. I will show you how to use help view inside the search help. Okay, thanks for watching.